Hi, and welcome to this Unreal Engine 5 tutorial. In this video, we will make our third-person character able to switch between walking and running. Let's get started. First, we will add the action mapping. This is the keyboard button we will use to switch between walk and run. Go to Edit, Project Settings, and on the left, search for Input. Here we can add our action mapping. Click on Add, rename it to Run. Select the key value and click Shift on your keyboard. You can close the project settings now. Search for your character blueprint. Since I'm using the third person example template, mine can be found in third person and then blueprints. When we select the character movement component, we can see what our default walking speed is. Scroll down and we can see it's 500. Let's change this to 200, which is around the normal walking speed for a UE5 character. In the graph, search for the action mapping we've just created. Scroll down a bit, and here it is. Drag the movement component onto the graph. Drag to the right, and search for set max walk speed. Let's align it and connect it to the pressed event. Change the max walk speed to 500, and this will be our running speed. Let's copy and paste and connect it to the released event and change the walk speed to 200. Let's compile and save, and let's test our new codes. So this is our new walking speed, and if we hit Shift, we start running. Thank you for watching this video. Please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.